Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Archana Saunke from Shri A.B. Patil English School. Will show you how to download our school app, watch lessons and take online studies. First of all, you have to go to the Play Store. You have to click on the Play Store which is there on your mobile. Once when you will be clicking on the Play Store key, you will be getting here search icon on the top of our mobile. Here you have to click on the search icon and you have to type there A.B. Patil School. Once you will be typing here A.B. Patil School, then you will be getting here a school logo and below that it is written as a install. You have to click on the install. I have already installed, so I am not getting that message. You have to click on the install to complete the installation process, and afterwards you will be getting the message like open. You have to click on the open and you have to allow all the process to complete your installation of our school app. So this is the process of our school app installation. Once you will install this one, you will be getting here our school logo. Along with that it is written Shri A.B. Patil English School. So every day you have to use this one to continue your lectures. Once you will be clicking on the school logo, you will be getting this home page which is written as about, silent features, infrastructure, sports, computer lab, health club, staff, achievements and library. Through this all the tab you will be getting the related informations which you want. Then on the top of left side of our mobile you will be getting there three small lines. You have to click on this, then the drop down menu will appear. I'm going to show you here. See, when I'll be clicking here, drop down menu will appear. Here it's written same like about us, school, faculty, admission, mandatory disclosure, gallery, login and reaches. If you want all these details, you can click on this and as per that you can follow. Now I'm going to show you. First here you have to click on the login to see the lectures. So once when you will be clicking on the login, you will be getting here a page of the username and password. Now here you have to type your username and password which is given by the school. Now students who were studying last year in our school can use same login and password. So here I am typing my username and password. Then you have to click on the login. Once you will be clicking on the login, you will be getting here message like a login successful. It works as per the net capacity, so you have to keep patience to continue the next process. Now you will be getting this page which is written as a notice board. You can scroll the notice board down and up. As per that you have to follow the instructions and you have to read all the notices carefully. Now see here, this notice of the yoga workshop is posted on the 21st June and even it is shows timing and all the details also given here. Sometimes sometimes the teachers are scheduled the Google Meet also. They also sending their link through this notice board. So you will be getting here link like this way and the scheduled timing also there. So as per that you can attend the Google Meet also. So this notice board is there. You have to daily watch once in the morning and once in the evening through the login. So after that you will be getting here the icon which is there of your child's profile. When you will be clicking on this icon, you will be getting your child name and the class on the notice board. And then right of this uh, right of this page of the notice board, you will be getting three small lines. You have to click on these three small lines to continue the lectures. So again drop down menu will appear and here again it's a notice board which we have seen earlier. Then lectures, activities, online exams and the logout is there. Now first I'll tell you about the activities. Activities means what? through the videos or the lectures, teachers are going to give you some activities sometimes that you have to make your child to complete the activities, and they will be giving you particular date to upload their photos or the videos, and they have to click on this tab of the activity and they can upload the videos or photos of the activities. It's very important that whenever the activity is given by the teachers, they are going to give you particular time, and as per that days only this tab will open. It will not open throughout the year. Next one, online exam. Suppose the school is going to conduct any online exam, they are going to give you prior intimation regarding that, and during that time this tab will open and you have to follow the instruction as per that. Now we will see about the lectures. So you have to click on the lectures tab. When you will be clicking on the lectures tab, this lecture page will open. It will take time to come all the videos, so you have to keep patience, and as per that you have to work. So when you will scroll down at the end of this page, you will be getting here the message like a items per page, means on this one page you will be getting only 10 items, means 10 lectures. Here in front of there it is given as 1-10 of 66, means there are 66 videos. In that 10 videos are 10 lectures are there. If you want to go back and you want to see the videos, you can click on the front and back key to go back and see the earlier videos. Suppose you miss any day's videos or any day's lectures, so once you will be clicking, the earlier days videos also will open. This is very important and very useful thing given by our school, that if suppose your child want to revise all the lectures during exam, they can use this app and they can revise all the lectures from the first day onwards. So these are the details are there from first day onwards to till end. Whatever given you will be getting on this the lectures page. Now I am going to show you how to start the lecture. So you will be getting here play button. You have to click on the play button to start your lecture. Even here written as a unseen, somewhere it is written as a seen and somewhere it is written as a pending. Now first I'll clear that what it is there. Unseen means yet I have not completed this lecture, so it shows with the yellow color as a unseen. Wherever it is written as a pending means I have started my videos or lecture but I am not seen completely, so it shows with the pending with the red color, and with the green color it shows seen, where that videos I have completely seen and completed my studies. See here it shows here pending, means I have opened that but I am not seen completely. Then sometimes it shows with the seen also. See here it's there with the seen. So it's a very useful thing given by the school. So if you want to see only unseen, you can click here with the triangle and you will be getting only pending, only pending, only unseen or only seen. As per that you can filter that. Okay. So when you will be clicking here unseen, seen, you have to go to the next video to see the lectures. So here I am going to open any one video. Suppose this video is there, my family, which written here the subject that is from EVS and which is posted on the 24 June. So as per that you can make your child to complete their study. You have to click on the play button to continue your lecture. So when I will be clicking on the play button, my video will start. You have to keep patience. It works as per the net capacity. Sometimes it takes time. If suppose there is a load. Okay. So when I started my EVS lecture, I am getting here message like a subject then details means lesson name and the video time, that is lecture time, it's 4 minutes, and lecture type means web link, that is not required to you. Means as per that you can make your child to open their subject notebook, textbook, and the page number which the teacher has told. Below that there is a assignment detail. Before going to on the video, you have to read this assignment details carefully. Now here it is given that students should watch the video carefully and write the given new words in the notebook. Means you have to make your child to watch this video carefully and you have to make him or her to write these new words in his or her notebook. Then downside it's a back key, you can go back to see the next video also. So first I will show you how to start this one. You have to click on the play button. When you will be going to click on the play button, your video will start and teacher's instruction will start. You can stop and you can see all these words also and you can note down. Now when teachers are giving you in the video, they are going to instruct you, you have to read the word carefully along with the spelling and you have to revise that word carefully. So as per that you have to take the lectures. When you completed this EVS lecture, you can click on the back key which is given here down. When you will be clicking on the back key, you will be going on the again lecture page and you can continue the next video. As per that you have to complete all the videos or the lectures and you have to take your child study carefully. So these all the details I have given in this video. So you have to watch this video carefully and as per that you have to instruct it. Now you want to go back, you can click on the 3 dots which is the top of the right of your mobile and you can go click on the logout button. So when you will be clicking on the logout button, again this username and password comes, you can go back and you can complete all the lectures as per this. So as per this you can complete all the lectures and the studies carefully. Thank you all.